This is College Board Test 1, Section 3, number 13. The topic covered in this question is simplifying rational expressions. If x is greater than 3, which of the following is equivalent to the quantity 1 over x plus 2 plus 1 over x plus 3? So the first thing that stands out to me is that I have a fraction, which is comprised of the number 1, over a denominator which is itself the sum of two fractions, right? It's the sum of 1 over x plus 2 and 1 over x plus 3. So the first thing I want to deal with is try to simplify my denominator into something that makes more sense and go from there. So I'm going to start by simplifying the denominator. So how do I simplify my denominator? Well, right now I have two fractions, one of which is over its own denominator of x plus 2, and the other one which has a denominator of x plus 3. So I want to find a common multiple of both x plus 2 and x plus 3 so that I can put my fractions over one denominator and go from there. X plus 2 and x plus 3 don't share any common factors, so in order to get a denominator that works for both of these fractions, I'm going to multiply 1 over x plus 2 by the denominator of the other fraction, which is x plus 3. And then similarly, I'm going to multiply 1 over x plus 3 times the denominator of the left-hand fraction, x plus 2 over x plus 2. So that's going to look something like this. I'm going to write x plus 3 over x plus 3. I'm going to multiply it by my left fraction. And my right fraction, I'm going to write x plus 2 over x plus 2. I'm going to multiply it by this right-hand fraction. This manipulation is okay because remember, as long as I'm multiplying by 1, I'm not actually changing anything. X plus 3 over x plus 3 is equivalent to 1, and x plus 2 over x plus 2 is also equivalent to 1. So what does that yield? Well, if I multiply this out, the left-hand fraction is going to become x plus 3 over x plus 3, x plus 2. And then my right-hand fraction is going to become x plus 2 over x plus 3 times x plus 2. Note that these two denominators are the same, so that's good. Now I can simplify my two fractions. So the numerators, when added together, are x plus 3, x plus 2, and the denominators of both is just x plus 3 and x plus 2. So if I add everything up in the numerator, I get 2x plus 5. And if I FOIL out the denominator, well, I'm going to end up with x times x, which is x squared, x times 2, which is 2x, 3 times x, which is 3x, and 3 times 2, which is 6. So then again, if I simplify my denominator just a little bit, I get x plus 5 over x squared plus 5x plus 6. So this is the result of my denominator from my original question. So now I'm going to back up again and go back to the original question, plugging this in for my denominator and going from there. Okay, so we're back with the original question, and instead of the ugly fractions that I had in the original question, I've just substituted in my result from the previous page, which is 2x plus 5 over x squared plus 5x plus 6. And so now I need to figure out a way to simplify this fraction as well. Remember that if I have a fraction in the form of 1 over a divided by b, this is equivalent to just b over a, right? Where we can take the reciprocal of the denominator, and that'll be our answer. So I'm going to apply the same logic here, where I'm going to treat 2x plus 5 as my a, and I'm going to treat x squared plus 5x plus 6 as my b. And so I'm going to get just the reciprocal of the denominator, which is going to be x squared plus 5x plus 6 over 2x plus 5. So that is my final answer. So to recap, taking the reciprocal gives us the answer x squared plus 5x plus 6 over 2x plus 5. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, leave us a like and consider subscribing, and check out our other social media pages for more content. Thanks.